Good morning, welcome to Fanaticalsiderider. Today we're going to be changing the rear diff oil and the front diff oil on the Zforce 950. Okay, we're going to start with the rear differential, and I got the pan here ready. Under here there's a drain plug. All you got to do is hit it with this hex socket. Here comes the fluid. So there we go, we undid that drain bolt at the bottom of the diff, the rear diff, and the fluid is draining out. It's somewhat clean. This is my third time changing it, and I do have over 3,000 kilometers on it, which is about 2,500 miles. So I wanted to do it one more time before winter. That's why I'm a bit ahead of schedule with this one. So we're just going to go ahead and let that drain, and we're going to set up our pump and get it ready to add oil to the diff. This is a procedure that I learned from Steve over at R&G Performance. Heck of a good idea on how to add fluids to your differentials. So in case you don't know, I'll show you what that's all about. So what we have is some Cfmoto 75 W90 gear oil. I took out the top plug here to put that oil in, and there is a crush ring, so make sure you don't lose it. I lost mine when I was taking it out, lost on top of the skid plate at the rear here, so I had to drop it to get it because I couldn't find it. So you can see I have a hose in there. Now this is not the exact same as Steve's at R&G's setup. I just made do with what I got. I live in a small town and we only have so much. I wanted to have some clear hose. I wanted a hose that would fit perfectly in there. I'm kind of rigged up something. I hope it works. I have this pump here. This pump here is good for oils and waters. And I'll put a link down below this video in the description where you can get a pump like this. So what happens is you grab your cordless gun, put a socket on that fits here, and we're going to turn this pump, and we're going to put this end in the oil, in the jug of oil here, and it's going to run the oil through into my diff. Now this is my first time trying it, and I don't have the exact same setup as Steve, but we'll see if this works, and who knows, I may just make a big mess, but we're going to try it. So we're going to put this end of the hose into the oil. So we're like this, right? You can see that. And make sure if you're using one of these pumps, use the inlet side to go into your oil down here. Now this shouldn't use much oil. I don't know, maybe half of this jug. There's not much oil that I drained out. I'm actually going to hold this here, and we're going to put our socket on the end of this pump. We're going to hold this, stay there. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to go slow at first. So this is working really good. There we go. So this, like I said, this is my first time doing it this way. I'm going to check and see how full we are. So it doesn't look like it's full yet. We'll attach this gun on here again onto the pump. There we are. We know we're full. We're overflowing there now. So that worked good. That was easy enough. Didn't make a big mess or nothing. I'm going to pull this hose up. Yep, we're full. I'll drain out my hose and my pump back into the oil container here. Wish I had someone to hold this for me. Okay, our differential's full. We'll put our drain plug or our fill plug back in. Then I'll just tighten that up by hand, and we're done with the rear. So there you go, guys. That's how you change the rear diff fluid. The front diff fluid won't be much different. And I want to thank Steve again for this apparatus he showed us on one of his videos. I don't know if anybody ever caught that. Go to his channel. He'll show you how to set one of these up. Just type it in the search on your desktop, and about changing the diff fluids in a Zforce. It actually worked really good. Like I said, I'll put a link to this pump down below in the description. Just wicked. I mean, I even just rigged this up with what I had. It didn't even leak here. No leaks anywhere. It worked perfect. Pretty happy with it. The only thing I didn't say when I was actually adding the oil to the diff is on my cordless gun, I had it on reverse. I should have had it on forward. And I was like, what's going on? There's no oil going in. It was bubbling down in the oil jug. So then I realized what it was. I flipped it over and the oil just went in like no problem. So thanks, Steve from Redneck Garage. I like the ideas you come up with. Really helps out. You really help out the community. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.